Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and मैं अपने न्यू Airbnb में हूँ. I'll give you a tour and आज मैं ब्रंच पे जा रही हूँ अपनी एक फ्रेंड के साथ. She's specially coming from Oxford to meet me. So मेरा सामान सारा पैक्ड है और बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने चीज़ें निकाली हैं. So we have to make it work जो भी अभी मेरे पास है. I am getting started with the makeup, but first of course lip balm. I am coming to India in like 9 days. So इसीलिए मैं Airbnb में रुकी हूँ for 9 days and यहाँ से directly I'll go to the airport and come to India. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये जो मेरे पास टाइम है इसको मैं एक्सप्लोर करूँ एज ए टूरिस्ट, बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पे 3 साल से हूँ और कभी मुझे ऐसा मौका नहीं मिला बिकॉज आई वॉज ऑलवेज लिविंग हियर एंड विंटर्स थे तो इट वॉज ऑलवेज सो कोल्ड एंड डार्क एंड आई वॉज अ बिट not feeling well to step out. But now the weather is finally doing better. So अब मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं वर्कआउट भी करूँगी, बाहर भी निकलूँगी, कंटेंट भी शूट करूँगी बहुत सारा आपके लिए. We have to meet at 3 and it's already 1:30 and it'll take me 30 minutes to reach there. और मुझे बहुत सारे अपडेट्स देने हैं टू बी ऑनेस्ट आपको, पर इस ब्लॉग से स्टार्ट करते हैं. इसमें आपको थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन तो मैं दे चुकी हूँ. एंड वन आई शो यू द सिचुएशन राइट नाउ, क्योंकि कल मैंने पूरा मूव आउट किया है, पैकिंग की है, स्पेशली ऑन माई पीरियड्स. तो मेरी बहुत हालत ख़राब हो गई थी. आई हैव सो मच स्टफ और मैंने ऑलरेडी कुछ सामान इंडिया शिप कराने के लिए ड्रॉप कर दिया है. एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि सब सॉर्टेड है until yesterday when I had to move out with all my stuff and I realized कि जो मैंने पैक किया है उसके अलावा डबल ट्रिपल सामान और है मेरे पास. और मैं इतने सारे अपने न्यू क्लोथ्स, न्यू शूज सब चैरिटी में डोनेट कर चुकी हूँ और मुझे और मिल गए हैं कल. गेटिंग अ कॉल बट आई इग्नोर इट एज यूजुअल. This Airbnb is really nice. I'm staying in Wembley and it's next to the station and stadium. Gym bhi hai yahan pe and everything. So I don't really need to go anywhere. I can wake up and go to work out because that was always the challenge for me. और मेरा मेकअप बस इतना सही है. Why? Because मैं ज़्यादा बेस यूज़ करती नहीं हूँ and also I'm not going for a shoot. It's just a casual meetup with a friend. को ready होके look दिखाती हूँ अपना. So guys, I got ready and मेरे पीछे आप थोड़ा मैस देख सकते हो, जल्दी से देख लो. I literally have no time and this is the look. This is the bag which I'm carrying, wearing a t-shirt. Sorry, wearing a shirt with aloe top, Lululemon pants. That's it. So मैं बहुत late हो रही हूँ. Let's rush. Guys, I'm at my favorite place in the whole London. It's Canary Wharf. I just came out of the station and I'm running because my friend is already here and she's waiting for me. Oh, it's an 11-minute walk. Go that side. So guys, I'm with my friend now.
Hi guys, welcome.
You've seen her already multiple times.
Yeah, in our reels together, in the Bollywood party,
Exactly.
a lot of times.
So we are meeting after maybe 7 months.
Yeah, 7 to nearly a year.
Yeah, we met during summers last
Yeah.
time.
And then I came back from India. Now she's going back to India.
Yes, in 10 days. They
Yeah.
already know I made a vlog, like I started
Oh,
the
did
vlog and
you?
informed them about it. So look at the weather. You can see how sunny it is. I'm so happy. We are at Coco's.
Canary Wharf.
Yes, my go-to spot. मैं हमेशा मुंह उठा के यहाँ आ जाती हूँ. कहीं भी, even if I'm going somewhere else, I
Yeah.
end up in Canary Wharf.
Oh really?
Somehow I just end up being in Canary Wharf.
Beautiful place.
Yeah. Okay. Then
Or-
any mocktails that you would recommend?
Mocktail you can try Papa is a really good one. Sunset Muse and
Okay. I have Sunset Mist.
Yeah.
But it's not too sweet, right?
not really sweet. Sweet but not too sweet.
What's the other one?
Is it your purple please? Light ginger berry.
Yeah. One second. Okay. Yeah.
I'll do both together. Yeah?
She didn't really know about it, or she might have, but she knew about it, but she basically didn't want to.
Oh my god.
You can just pick up the flour and drop it from top here. At the same time you can drop it.
Okay,
Drop it
ready?
from orbiter, yeah? Just drop it.
3, go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shisha.
No, the last time I had this was in Dubai. Yeah. When I went for the desert.
They make really strong, especially the desert safari ones.
Oh my god.
It's proper shisha.
Yeah.
So we just changed our positions now.
This one's better.
And I think this one is more comfortable because I can just sit like this and chill. It's actually very comfortable.
Yeah.
So बहुत अच्छा लगा. We had like girl talks,
Yeah.
like
Lot of gossips.
yes, talking about life and
Future.
many things.
Etc.
Can't tell you about it. So far so good, especially because of the weather. I would give a credit to it.
Yeah. Do you regret not wearing a sweater?
I do. I was thinking about it.
Yeah.
That in the evening it might get chilly,
Yeah.
but I thought
You can do it.
I was hoping you would carry an extra jacket.
Oh, no. I'll give you this one if you want.
I can't do that to you. It's a crime.
Where are we going after this?
I don't know.
Just roaming around. Does this have a mic?
I have mics separately, but its mic is also good. The quality.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my god, I've been craving for mango sticky rice. Literally.
And look at the brownie.
Yeah. It's my first time trying mango sticky rice here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here.
I thought like forever.
I've got 5 calls today. I never get so many calls. Hello? Yes? Yeah? Okay. Yes, he did actually. Okay, I'm good. Thanks for connecting. Yeah. One,
How far is this?
I forgot. 4 hours maybe? No. So we are done. We finished our brunch and it's 7 already. And I'll show you Canary Wharf in the night time. All the finance guys are here.
You know that trending reel which came 6 feet?
No.
You know, it's like, so I'll send it to you.
But I've seen Find a Guy in Finance and
Yeah,
stuff.
that one.
Yeah. But
I need a guy in finance.
yeah, exactly. I've seen it. Yeah.
Oh my god, look at the yacht.
Oh my god, look at the airplane. So we are going back home.
Yes.
It was so good to catch up.
Yeah, so nice to meet Twinkle as always. We shared lots of memories
And we just decided to buy this yacht.
yeah.
Tomorrow we are coming to take the keys.
Yeah. Not paying like in half, we are paying it in full.
Yeah, exactly.
Just like tomorrow.
And we've also, because we gave them extra cash, we don't want the change.
And full of gold.
Gold? No, my birthday party boat.
Oh, your birthday? Yeah. I thought you said my boat is like this only. No. Oh, you went in like that?
Yeah. Self-drive.
Oh, I love it. You went exactly from here?
Yeah, from the end till the end.
Come.
ये है वेम्बली पार्क स्टेडियम एंड मैं लिटरली इस बिल्डिंग में रह रही हूँ एंड ये स्टेयर्स है, पर हम स्टेयर्स से नहीं जाएंगे, हम यहाँ से एग्ज़िट लेंगे मेन रोड की तरफ. एंड कैन यू सी द स्टेडियम? That is my building, Wanda. Wembley Park behind me, waiting for the red light to turn green so that I can cross the road. That is Premier Inn. So I'll be taking that bridge to reach there. It feels so good, guys. Finally, थोड़ा weather ठीक हुआ है. I can step out and explore like summertime. But it's too bad that I have to go to India because अभी weather ठीक हुआ था. अभी मैं कुछ कर सकती थी यहाँ पे productive. पर अब मैं इंडिया जा रही हूँ, वो भी summer time पे, जो कि और difficult होगा मेरे लिए. यहाँ के winter और इंडिया का summer both extreme. Now I'll take these stairs. Oh, there's Novotel Hotel as well. मुझे नहीं पता था. And guys, I'll make a separate vlog if you want to see my studio tour and all the amenities with the day in my life mixture. So please subscribe and watch my next vlog as well. अभी मैं घर आ गई हूँ और oh my god, I'm so tired. I'll end the vlog now. Love you.